Good morning, Hannah.
Goal tracker?
This week's average, 453 calorie deficit.
I'm at...
Now just stick it in the microwave, set the timer, and you're ready to eat in 1 minute.
Utilizing our new analytics system, social media traction is up 110%. We have more engagement than ever.
Hey. I'm sorry I'm late. Also, I got a call from work and now I have a hard out at 1:30.
That's in 15 minutes.
I know. I said I'm sorry. I'm tracking my water intake. You should be tracking your water intake.
Okay.
Seriously, it'll blow your mind. The amount of energy I have, I feel 10 years younger.
Listen, my mom.
This is my boss. I'm sorry. I have to take this.
Can it wait?
No. He would kill me if I made him wait.
Well, as I was saying to Hannah earlier, our response times are down 74% from where they were 4 months ago. These numbers are unacceptable. Hannah, what do you have to add?
Yeah, I have to go.